Hibiscus is a flowering plant native to tropical and subtropical regions around the world. The tea is made from dried parts of the hibiscus plant and is recognized for its deep red petal blossoms. Hibiscus tea is naturally caffeine and calorie-free. It has sweet and tart flavors similar to cranberry and can be consumed both hot and cold. Many people are familiar with the beautiful hibiscus flowers and use various parts of the plant as food and medicine. In today's video, I'll share 5 reasons to start drinking hibiscus tea, its side effects and contraindications. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. 1. It supports heart health. High blood pressure can place an extra strain on the heart and cause it to weaken. It is also associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Hibiscus is well known for its ability to lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. One 6-week study on 65 patients with hypertension found that consuming hibiscus tea 3 times daily lowered overall blood pressure. Similarly, a 2015 review of studies observed that hibiscus tea significantly decreased both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Make sure to talk to your doctor before using hibiscus tea as treatment, especially if you're taking blood pressure medications like hydrochlorothiazide. 2. It's loaded with antioxidants. According to a study published in the journal Phytotherapia, hibiscus tea is packed full of phytochemicals like polyphenols and anthocyanin. These compounds help lower inflammation in the body, which are known to increase the risk of developing certain ailments like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and arthritis. The high dose of these antioxidants has the potential to slow this process while keeping your skin looking youthful. Animal studies revealed that hibiscus plant extract, including the leaves, increased the number of antioxidant enzymes and reduced the harmful effects of free radicals. However, more studies are needed to examine its effects on humans. 3. It stimulates weight loss. In addition to lowering blood pressure, some studies have demonstrated positive effects on lowering blood fat levels, which are another risk factor for heart disease. One 12-week study with 36 overweight participants had either hibiscus extract or a placebo found that the extract reduced body weight, body fat, body mass index, and hip-to-waist ratio. Bear in mind that this study used hibiscus extract, which is more concentrated than the tea. While you can experience these benefits by sipping the tea, it will likely be on a smaller scale. 4. It boosts immunity. Hibiscus is rich in vitamin C, a strong antioxidant we know is responsible for keeping common colds and flus at bay. It is surprisingly high in iron. 1 cup of hibiscus tea delivers a whopping 20 milligrams of iron. It also provides small amounts of other minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and zinc. Vitamin C works to complement the iron by increasing its absorption, making hibiscus a great option for those suffering from anemia. 5. It promotes a smooth digestion. Hydration is key to ensuring a healthy digestive system. Hibiscus tea has also been shown to work as a natural diuretic, increasing both urination and bowel movement while removing water and sodium from the body. This is a mechanism which also reduces blood pressure. Side effects and contraindications. Although it is generally considered safe, there are a few exceptions. Side effects tend to occur with the excessive use of hibiscus supplements as well as the tea, but to a slightly lesser extent. Hibiscus is not recommended for people taking hydrochlorothiazide, a type of diuretic used to treat high blood pressure, as it may interact with the drug. As indicated in a review of studies, very high doses of the extract can potentially cause liver damage, and so should be limited or even avoided by those with liver conditions. Additionally, pregnant women should steer clear of hibiscus tea. It can cause blood sugar levels to drop suddenly and even cause nausea and ear ringing. Because the tea has aluminium and manganese content, going overboard can cause side effects like shakiness. People taking medication should seek advice from a healthcare practitioner, as hibiscus may interact with some of them. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.